went out tonight with my girlfriend and like got some food and did some dancing, and there was live music and stuff, and it was fun. But there's just like everyone is forced to wear masks here, even on this island in Cozumel, Mexico, and like we're forced to wear masks to like enter these places to dance, and then they're trying to force us to wear masks like while dancing, even though we're like the only people dancing at this one bar. And I just experienced that in my fucking body, you know? Like my body just like roared inside of me. Like, fuck no. Fuck this. This is not wisdom. This is not truth. This is not how life is meant to be. This is not dignifying. This is an abomination, a complete like insult to the powerful beings that we really and truly are, to enforce this bullshit of strapping a fucking muzzle diaper to your face everywhere you go in the name of some bullshit, quote, safety. And so there was just this like, you know, this pendulum swing from earlier today being kind of deep in the pure non-dual to having my body literally like shout at me like, no, but there are levels to this, and there's a reason why you find yourself in this like layer of the game right now, being the being that you are in this place right now. And there's a reason why you feel like this white hot rage arise in you right now. That too is the perfect unfolding of the divine plan. And it just felt very clear, like you are meant to channel and harness this energy that is arising now, this very powerful, like, fuck no energy. Like, channel that power also into what you're doing and creating. Channel that and do your piece to burn down the lies. Burn down the lies that say that this is who we are and that we need to belittle ourselves and dishonor ourselves and pretend that we're these weak, fragile, limited, finite, pathetic beings who need to be afraid of a little fucking microorganism. So yeah, that arose in me, and I just felt irresistibly compelled to fill you in on that, brother, because I thought you would find it interesting and just so fascinating, the layers and paradoxes of this game. And I had to think about what you said about just feeling, even though one part of me knows everything is always in its proper place and everything is perfect, paradoxically there's another layer where in this realm at this time we're playing this game where there are these divergences, these profound divergences from truth that are like blasphemous, that need to be burned away. And it feels like we do burn them away by literally speaking the truth, holding the frequency of truth, holding the frequency of love, light, power, infinite, eternal, deathless beingness, just holding the frequency of what we truly fucking are, and saying no, saying no to non-truth, refusing to obey that which does not dignify, esteem, and honor us as the infinite, deathless, divine beings that we are. So yeah, I think I'll just cap that off by saying, fuck the lockdown, fuck the masks, fuck the restrictions on traveling this beautiful planet of ours, fuck the restrictions on our right to gather in large numbers with our soul family and dance our beautiful dances. Fuck the fear propaganda campaign that makes us feel like life is very dangerous and we're weak, pathetic beings who need to sacrifice life fully lived in the name of some bullshit pseudo safety that is a lie. Fuck that. Fuck everything that convinces us that we are not infinite, eternal, deathless, powerful, dignified creators of reality. Alright, I think I'm done now, bro. Peace and love.